This one does have the ProPilot 2.0. So it can drive itself as long as you pay attention to the road. Turns blue on ProPilot 1.0, it's green, hands-on. ProPilot 2.0 turns blue, hands off. It can drive itself as long as you have your eyes on the road. Pretty cool. Heads-up display. I don't know how well you can see, but it has all the information on the heads-up display there as well. You can see that there are cars showing up on the left and right. Got green. Let's see. 65 right there. Pretty quick. I did notice that there's an extra noise when you have it in sport. I put it in standard. I don't know how well you can hear, but it's not as noisy. But once you put it in sport, you can also turn e-pedal on, and it will regenerate the battery. It will brake for you as well. It does not come to a complete stop like Leaf does. It will slow down without you having to push the brake. Once you lift your foot off the accelerator, it will slow down by itself. So I'm not using my brake paddle at all. It won't stop for you, but it will slow down. One more thing I wanted to go over is the ProPilot Park. Ariya can park itself if it's equipped with ProPilot Park, and if you know it's equipped with it when you have this button right here. So if you push that button, it'll give you an option. You can set it as parallel park or back the vehicle in, and then as soon as you have that right there, and you can choose whichever spot you want if you keep driving, and he will tell you when it's ready. We have a little curve here on the side, and looks like it's ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and try it. Start. Boom. Parks itself. Puts the electronic brake on as well. Alright, let's try with this side now. See how that works. You're gonna put it right next to this Altima right here. Just press start. Boom. Perfect. Get out really quick and show you. Pretty good.